Alright, now we are going to the last layer. We already finished the bottom 2 layer, and that's the top layer. We need to do the cross, yellow cross again for all this layer. So these two are already there. We're lucky, and then we need to put. Our goal is trying to make an angle here and then turn this formula. Our formula here is clockwise, right, down, left, up, and counterclockwise. Let me show you how. Can you hold it? Like hold it clockwise for the last layer. This one? Sorry. This one clockwise, okay? And then we perform the formula. Right, right, down, down, yeah, down, and left, up, and backward. This counterclockwise. Yes. Okay. Ooh, now we have much more. Alright, now we need to finish the remaining yellow corner blocks. Let's turn this yellow side to the left, and to make the one that's not finished on this left bottom corner, and then we go back to this formula again. We just keep turning this formula right, down, left, up whenever we have unfinished block. So can you do this? Right, right, down, down, left, up, up, up. Let's check. Not finished yet. Keep going. Left. I'm sorry. Right. Down. Left. Up. Okay. Not finished yet. Again. Up. Okay. There we go. So this one is yellow already. So let's keep turning. Which one is not finished? Can you make this side to here? Can you turn this side to here? Finish. So now the top one is finished. We only have this. The side needs to complete. Let's proceed to the next one.